Hello and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Solaris X, and today we're going to do a tutorial on Metal Gear Solid 2 controller fix. We have done this in the past, but this one is an updated, better fix. So sit back, relax, enjoy your stay, and if you like this YouTube video, please comment, like, subscribe. Down in the description below will be a fix for you. So here we go, Metal Gear Solid 2. I'll show you what will come up now. Now we got once we go to options, as you could see here is the old configuration. This has an issue with controller compatibility. As you can see here, it's all messed and it's not really good configuration, but we'll fix that pretty soon. Over here, what we have is the Metal Gear Solid 2 Ultimate Patch and Controller Fix. Just double click that and extract it. You come up with this folder here. First things first, we want to patch up Metal Gear Solid 2 to 2.0. And that will be the destination where Metal Gear Solid 2 is installed. So just install it, install the patch. As you can see, it's a really fast patch right by there. Once done, you click OK, and then we've got Complay installer, which will be, I'll explain to you what Complay is in a bit. So now for the settings fix, what we'll have to do is right click the Metal Gear Solid 2 shortcut right by here, copy this title line, copy, one sec, just going to show you something quickly. As you can see here, I'm going on Metal Gear Solid 2, so we'll put it on our theme in a bit. So I'll run again, open file location, and copy this path, double click here and paste. Then we want to click extract. Once extracted, as you could see here, this has changed color, which means we got different setup menu now. So we run this. It says here, these fix will now run some extra applications for patching the game into 2.0 version. So if you don't run this patch, the V controller fix would fix that for you. As you can see here, you've got different menu settings here. You got click settings. Please be aware this is that since more VGAs are installed on your system, you have to be sure that okay. So basically, because you've got more than one graphics card installed, that the graphics should be bounded correctly. That's all it says. As you can see here, we can set the resolution, whether it's 1920 by 1080 or 1366. Remember, put it into your specified TV resolution 1366 by 768. So now we can do maintain ratio. Do we want to do full screen cutscene on, optimize for 16:9 screen, window mode on or off, controls, if you don't want a controller compatible, you could go to no. If you're an Xbox controller, DualShock 4, so that's a PlayStation controller. How do you want it? The V type or PS2 type? I'm running an Xbox controller, so mine will be the Xbox type.
10 steps back till you get to where you're going. Just research where you're going. A t-shirt where it's
so these will change the type that it is. So once we do that, we hit graphics, put it whatever graphics you want, whether you want like a really nice high graphics, effect quality, all these can be added. Sound, so sound options right by there. Extra, we could check for any updates on this here. Some updates for the V fix there. As you could see, a minute, there's no Metal Gear Solid 2 on the list yet, but to add it, you want to click here. Now what we can do, we can look at our Steam. We need to close Steam, so if we close Steam, then run this. Steam is actually running. I see, there we go. Fix now, try to add Steam in the game. So click yes. Now that's been added. We need to launch Steam now. It's gonna now Steam's gonna come on with hopefully Metal Gear Solid 2 game on there, so we can run the Metal Gear Solid 2 afterwards. So if you see now my library, scroll down, there you go. We got Substance now on our Steam's library, so we can run it from Steam. And we got this thing, Complay. Don't want to lose your game's save data? Playing on multiple PCs at once? Multiple users? Need to synchronize. Click the logo aside to open Complay website. I got Complay installer there, which you can use that installer. But I'm going to show you how do you download it manually. You come here. The save data and gaming experience are two-way tied, and Complay is born for both of them. So what you want to do, so basically this is a game save data location here. You would be needing the NetRedistributable 4.0 just to get this running, and then you want to click download. once download is complete, you wanna unzip it and then install it. Once you've installed it, you come up with this. Sync your data. You want to create a profile here. Guest, new profile, or my profile there. Manage PC games. Insert a new game. Select where the game is. The file you selected is simply game executable or is a game launcher, like when you configure the game, or send custom text files. Click yes. Click OK to this. Next step. Oh, I see. The game name. Game name. MGS2. And S for substance. I want to back up this folder with all this to do with about saving your game and stuff. So I've never used Complay, so there's that there for you as well. But now what you could see now, after this is sorted, you sort out all your graphics and everything. As you could see, auto aim target is LB. So we're gonna save this now and run Metal Gear Solid. With this fix, you can play the game without disc as well. So I've got a no CD fix with this graphic fix thing. So sit back, relax, enjoy the game. New game, Tanker and Plant, very easy. I usually do Radar 1.
The Hudson. This is Snake.
As you can see, the graphics is really nice graphics.
The mission objective is to make
updated
visual confirmation of the new
resolution
method.
1366 by 768.
Your weapon is a tranquilizer gun.
We need to get it.
As you can see there, you got that sorted. You click in the right thumbstick and then look with your left thumbstick. Then what you do, you press the X button to aiming your shoot, then the left button right by here to automatically aim. As you can see there, and then shoot. Once you've done that, coming through here, there should be an item across here. And hold the controller to the directional just to go against the wall. And then press the Y button to jump over obstacles. As you can see there, I just knocked him out. Now we can pick him up with the X button. And then we go through. Press back to answer the call.
Snake.
As you can see, it's a full-on fix to your controller issue.
Freeze.
Are you going to shoot me?
Enjoy this short gameplay. Just show you how easy it is. There we go, saved. Get that Russian. So all the buttons are as intended, all the same as you would play on the Xbox. So there'll be nothing amiss. Everything will be just fine. As you can see, everything all work in order with controller fix. How do we get through there with the camera? We've got camera there, we've got ASP sensor. There, gotcha.
Snake!
Don't move. The Russian there. So now we can go up.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, you're not...
here we go. Need the USP. So I'm gonna get up from this woman over here.
I've been with the unit since I was born. I grew
Have
up
you?
on the
That's good to know.
battlefield. Conflict and victory were my parents.
Yeah, good to know.
The unit is my life, my family. We've shared everything, all the... I have no one, nothing except the unit. Nothing else matters.
Whoop.
Whoever you are, you're not stopping us.
No. Oh, really?
Take this!
Damn it. There we go. Nice and easy with the game fix. Okay. Stun gun. Come down here. Nice and easy does it. Okay, the red box here. Climbing up. And that's where you get your thermal goggles from. So there we have it. USB bullets there. Now going straight down. Like some USB bullets there. Nice and easy, innit? Kill him off.
What's going on? Respond! We've lost contact with Deck D. Backup
Yep.
unit, check it out.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Enemy personnel on board! All units, maximum alert!
Send a replacement guard for the area.
Cannot spare any backup at the moment. Go after the target without additional assistance.
Really? Oh, come on. You really think you can suss me out, guys? Like, come on. I'm not there, honestly.
Attack team, come back at once. Guard team, stay alert.
Really? I thought you can get me. Sorry, dude. Nice try. Let's see what we do here. That's that. Now we should be able to go through nicely without any issues. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it's been fixed really nicely, so everything's working with an ease. Oh. Why do I do these fixes, you may ask? Because just like everybody, I would like to enjoy the game without any controller issues, without anything at all, any problems at all. So I do these fixes.
Who's there?
And just to help you guys with playing the game with no problem, you know.
Freeze.
Oh, I've got some USB bullets. As you can see, everything's working to desired need. The auto aim is functioning just as intended as well, so that's something. As you can see, it's nicely done, well configured, and the download will be available for you in the description below. So I do hope you enjoy this fix, by all means.
Repair of the entranceway to the engine room on the port side is complete. We'll return to position following patrol in the small room on the port side.
Come on then. All I can see is one person. Gotcha.
Freeze.
Okie dokie, so we got some something there. So I've got to be really careful at aiming this. There we go.
Verrazano Bridge checkpoint passed. All non-essential personnel report to the holds in 10 minutes' time for the scheduled briefing session with the Commandant. You are ordered to continue manning your posts until that time.
Encountered the enemy.
Yeah.
Acknowledged. I'm sending additional units to Deck 2, port side. Don't let him get away.
There's another one done. Damn it. So that's that one, that part done. Some M9 bullets there and USB bullets here. Some Russian there. Come on. That's that done.
Snake.
Okie dokie.
Okay, Snake.
We initiated development.
We could save it here now.
Oh, Snake.
Metal Gear Ray as a countermeasure to these pirated weapons forces. The only thing that can stand up to a Metal Gear is, of course, another Metal Gear. With Ray, the hundreds, if not thousands, of Metal Gears that exist all over the world are no longer a threat. The blind rush to nuclear proliferation.
As you
will
can
be
see,
contained,
the
and it will be the
screens
Marine
are
Corps and our Ray that will accomplish this.
not green either.
At the
So it's a
moment,
total fit.
every industrialized nation on the globe knows the specifications for Metal Gear. Worse yet, so do a number of rogue states. They are all working on deploying their own Metal Gear force to compete with the U.S.'s nuclear strike capability. The world is about to see a swarm of these Metal Gear derivatives. Ours is not the only military project devoted to Metal Gear development, but it cannot be more different in nature from the Navy's. Theirs is a program that will add fuel to the uncontrolled fire of nuclear proliferation. It is a...
There we go.
It is a fact that players and...
Memory. Let's save it here. I save it at every
Trying to
section.
say?
It's easier then. Come on.
in favor of such a policy are attempting to derail our own Ray project. But I promise you that they will not succeed. Some say that the strategic importance of aircraft carriers will be reduced by the completion of Ray. The opposition from the Navy is an undeniable fact. There is a lot of pressure from Navy brass, especially those with submarine and air background. Not to mention interference from a major player. But this project is vital to the Marine Corps. The enemy is sometimes closer to home than you think, gentlemen. Always bear that in mind. This weapon will render all other Metal Gears obsolete. Nations building up their own Metal Gear force will think twice about their nuclear strategy in the light of the military dominance spelled out by Ray. The shift
Okay, so we could save it here.
in the
Time.
balance of power will mean a new world order, and we, the Marine Corps, will play a central role in its military affairs.
Freeze.
We got him now.
This turned out to be longer than expected. At ease. Rest a little. Getting back to the topic at hand. I have a daughter, and it is my greatest wish never to have her or her children experience the horror of nuclear war. As a father, I want to leave a better world to the future generation. As a soldier, I know that is my duty. Metal Gear Ray is amphibious. Unlike the Army's Rex, it can cruise deep underwater, move in undetected, and make its landing on any shoreline. Its onboard joint tactical information.
Let's have a look what we need. Photo viewer.
So, any codec?
First up, thing was involved in all people. We need 4 images, one from the front right, one from the front and front left. So front right, front left, and a close-up of the Marines marking of the prototype. Okay.
Distribution system identifies targets with unerring accuracy and takes them out with massive firepower. It is
Good.
Like you all to think of.
Good.
The brain drain of nuclear specialists and the black market trade in weapons grade plutonium has been fueling its cottage industry in nuclear weapons since late last.
Whatever is calling, baby, you know I'll turn
Okay, I'm receiving the images. Okay, first up. Okay, that's good. The
Good.
shot from the right is in the bag.
That's right.
What's next? We already have a good photo.
Right, now we're gonna go for the left.
Add Metal Gear to the mix, and the result is the renewed proliferation you see the world over. You once lived in the shadow of the Doomsday Machine. This Metal Gear Ray can bring other Metal Gears under control and ensure that we never know that fear again.
Good.
This piece. The Metal Gear Rex development on Shadow Moses was supposedly the first preparatory measure taken against the future possibility of reduced nuclear defense capability. NMD technology leaked to other nations would make that contingency likely. But if this theory is correct,
Good.
there was a calculated intent to cash in on this opportunity by specific interests within the military-industrial complex. We are here today to flush out and rid our country of these corrupting forces.
Receiving the images.
Okay, I'm receiving the images. Okay, first up. You're a pretty good photographer.
Thank you. Next. Alright. The last one is alright. One from the front and close up of the Marines lettering. From the front.
That is our mission. You will bear that in mind. We have intelligence that there are anti-Metal Gear terrorists planning to target the ship. Intruder to the left!
Good.
Damn it! I've been caught.
Snake! Respond!
Snake!
Snake! Snake!
Damn it!
The shift in the balance of power will mean a new world order. And we, the Marine...
Okay.
That's the front. Now the lettering.
Corps will play a central role in its military affairs. I have a daughter, and it is my greatest wish never to have her or her children experience the horror of nuclear war. As a father, I want to leave a better world for the future generation.
There it is.
As a soldier, I know.
Good.
You must be tense. Let's do a little stretching.
Let's see if that's it. No?
Okay, I'm receiving the images.
Go on then.
Okay, first up. This is great.
Yep. We have the photos. Snake, the speech is about to wind up. Okay, for the photos, get out of there now. So time to get out.
We, the Marines, will lead the charge into a new world order with Metal Gear Ray.
So basically, we wanted an image from the front left, front right, and the lettering which is on the right hand side past the sleeping guard. And that's it. That's what I'd like to show you, and I do hope you've enjoyed the tanker. That was Solid Snake, and I do hope you enjoy this fix. All the best, take care.